Welcome to my channel. This is Chandrasekhar Bhimuji. So today we are going to discuss second aspects. Already I given some of the aspects now. We completed about first aspect, that is what levels of organization is completed. Now what about second aspect? Second one is symmetry. So what about symmetry? Let us discuss. Symmetry, it is the systematic arrangement of organs in a body. Symmetry nothing but it is a phenomena which states about the arrangement of how do organs are arranged in a body, the arrangement of organs in a body, that is called symmetry. Symmetry is of two kinds, asymmetry and symmetry. So what about asymmetry? Asymmetry nothing but what? Symmetry is absent. What is symmetry actually? Symmetry nothing but it is the arrangement of organs. How do organs are arranged? That is something about the symmetry. In asymmetric animals, symmetry is absent. Nothing but there is no systematic arrangement of organs in a body. There is no systematic arrangement of organs in a body. So that is called asymmetry. Asymmetric animals in which symmetry is absent. Nothing but what? There is no systematic arrangement of organs. Best example. Let me give an example here. That is porifera or spongy. Porifera, in which what happens is symmetry is absent. Means there is no systematic arrangement of organs in porifera. If you cut the body of porifera in any plane, in any axis, you won't get the vatma. You won't get the vatma. You won't get the two equal halves. If you cut the organism through any axis, through any plane, you won't get the two equal halves. You won't get the two equal halves, isn't it? Best example, porifera. You can observe the screen also. I will give you the diagram of porifera. Observe. Then symmetry. Symmetry in which what happens is symmetrical animals in which symmetry is present. Symmetry nothing but what? The systematic arrangement of organs seen in symmetry or symmetrical animals. Best example, symmetry is of two kinds. Radial symmetry. The other one is bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Symmetrical animals in which symmetry is present. Symmetry nothing but the systematic arrangement of organs. That is called symmetry. Symmetry is present in symmetrical animals. Symmetry is of two kinds. Radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Sir, how do they differ each other? Let me explain. How do they differ each other? Radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Let us discuss. Radial symmetry in which what happens is it is exhibited by, best example, it is exhibited by hydra. It is exhibited by hydra. You can observe the diagram of hydra where what happens is many planes can cut the organism into two equal halves. When you observe the vatma, hydra, when you cut the vatma, the body of hydra in a many plane, many planes can cut the organism. Many planes can cut the body of organism into two equal halves, two equal parts. You can observe the diagram on screen. So here what happens is radial symmetry is exhibited by hydra. When you observe the diagram of hydra, what happens is in a hydra what happens is there is an arrangement of organs in a sun-ray manner. So many planes can cut the organism. Many planes can cut the organism into two equal halves. Such kind of arrangement of organs called Radial symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, in which what happens is it is exhibited by mainly, best example, man. When you cut the man through a central axis, you will get the two identical parts, isn't it? So here what happens is only one plane can cut the organism. Only one plane can cut the organism into two identical parts. Paired parts are distributed equally. Unpaired parts remain along with the length of the axis.